What you're seeing is an illusion, a projection. But what if I told you that you, me, the screen you're watching this on, and the vast expanse of the universe might be just like that, a magnificent, incredibly detailed hologram. For millennia, mystics and sages have whispered that the world we perceive is not the ultimate reality. They called it Maya, a divine illusion. Today, theoretical physicists, using the hard language of mathematics, are stumbling upon a breathtakingly similar idea. They call it the Holographic Principle. This isn't science fiction. This is a serious, albeit mind-bending, theory at the frontier of physics. And if it's true, it could reshape our understanding of everything, from the nature of consciousness to the very concepts of free will and karma. To grasp this, we need to start with a paradox: black holes. Physicist Jacob Bekenstein discovered that a black hole's information content is proportional not to its volume, but to the surface area of its event horizon. It's like storing a 3D movie on a 2D DVD. This led to the black hole information paradox. Where does the information go when the black hole evaporates? The holographic principle offers a radical solution. What if our entire three-dimensional universe is a holographic projection of information stored on a distant, two-dimensional surface? We are the characters in that movie, convinced of our solidity, unaware that our true source code is written on a flat surface at the edge of everything. Now, rewind thousands of years. In ancient Indian philosophy, the concept of Maya describes the world not as unreal, but as a relative reality projected by a deeper, unified consciousness. The classic analogy is the rope mistaken for a snake in the dusk. The fear is real, but the snake is an illusion superimposed on the true reality of the rope. Our world of separate objects is the snake. The underlying unity is the rope. The parallel is uncanny. In both physics and spirituality, the 3D world is not fundamental. It is a projection from a simpler, underlying reality. But is there any evidence? Physicist Craig Hogan searches for the predicted pixelation of space-time using a device called a holometer, hunting for the jitter that would betray our universe's holographic nature. And what about the projector? Neuroscientist Karl Pribram proposed the brain itself uses holographic principles. Memories aren't stored in one location, but are distributed across the brain, much like every fragment of a holographic film contains the whole image. This suggests our brain may be a decoder, translating holographic information from the universe into our conscious experience. So what does this mean for us? For free will? If reality is a projection, our choices might be real within the narrative, like a character in a film, while the script exists at a deeper level. For karma, in an interconnected hologram, every action naturally ripples through the whole system. Your actions are edits to the source code. The most profound implication is for our sense of self. The boundary between the observer and the observed dissolves. We are not just in the universe, we are the universe, experiencing itself in a focused, localized way. The holographic universe is an invitation to question the solidity of your reality and to consider that the greatest spiritual truths might be waiting for science to catch up. The illusion is convincing. But every now and then, if you look closely, you might just see the pixels. What do you think? Is reality a projection? Or is this just a fascinating coincidence between physics and spirituality? Share your perspective in the comments below. If your mind is feeling expanded, help us spread these ideas by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell for more journeys to the edge of understanding.